Assisting Dr. Doji S. Maestre Campo in awarding the diplomas and certificates is the Dean of the School of Health Sciences, Dr. Lemuel L. Tayo. The graduates of MS-204 Bragg, alongside with their class advisor, Mr. Ariel Joseph P. Morla.
Jeffrey Paul C. Anaya. DeAndre Lois C. Andales. Mia Francesca J. Angustia. Andrea L. Basmayor. John David C. Borleo. Eugene C. Bradbury. James Brian V. Calendas. Chelsea Haven B. Cedro. Alriz B. Cordial. Georgina M. Cornelio. Maria Iana David. Don Jessie Marie G. De Los Santos. Ginario Maximus J. Dipala. Samantha